everyone, this is Alice from Hubei Qixing Group Company. Now I'd like to introduce our one popular light truck. This truck is, model number is QX1027, and this is right-hand drive light truck. Okay, our this truck design is based on Hyundai H100. This truck, the total length is 5.1 meters, and the wheelbase is 2.7 meters. Okay, the GVW of this truck is 3.4 tons, and the curb weight is 1.7 tons, and the rated payload is around 1.3 tons. Okay, now I'd like to introduce about the powertrain. The powertrain of this truck, the engine is Isuzu engine, and the transmission is gas track transmission. So the rated power of the engine is 57 kilowatts, and is Euro 2 emission standard, and the displacement is 2.7 liters. And the rear axle gear ratio is 4.33. The braking system is front disc and the rear axle. Okay, now I'd like to introduce about the main characters of our this model. The part one is about the cabin. Okay, this way I will show you about our cabin. Our this cabin, 等一下。Okay, regarding the part one cabin parts, it has four special characters. The first one is we can use one remote key to open 5 ports. Firstly, it can open the door, and secondly, it can start the engine, and it can also open the fuel tank and the toolbox and the spare tires. Okay, and the second one is the window. It's electric. It's power window, which means it uses the electric lifter. And for our this cabin is RHD, which means it's right-hand drive. Okay, and regarding this cabin, we also have the left-hand drive. And you can see this cabin is single cabin, but we have a total series cabins, which means it can also be space cabin. Okay. And another one is about our this truck. It has the rear reverse radar, which means it's very convenient for the new drivers to park the car. Okay, this is the cabin part. Now I'd like to talk about the part 2, the chassis part. This truck uses the front independent suspension because which is same as our passenger car. When you driving, during the driving, when you sit inside, you will feel very comfortable. Okay, but for this truck, we can also change it to the leaf spring style too. Okay, and another one is for this model, the rear axle, it has double tires, but we also have another model, it has single tire. And from the tire size, you will find out for the front side is bigger, and for the rear side is small. The front side is 15 inch, but for the rear side is 17 inch. And for this truck, it's very popular, especially in the Southeast Asia markets and the Middle East. Okay, that's all. Thank you.